How to win 2048 game. 2048 is a fun and addictive puzzle game, and a clone of Threes. It's one of the best, but it's difficult to beat, so here's how to play and win 2048. See also, 10 best Android games. 2048 can be downloaded for iOS and Android, but you can also play it on the web here. How to play 2048. The premise of the game is simple. The best and most addictive games tend to be, move the tiles around the board. You can move up, down, left or right, and tiles of the same number will merge when they touch to create a higher number. It's basic maths, so 2 plus 2 becomes 4 and 32 plus 32 will create a single 64 tile. The aim is to keep merging tiles until you get a 2048 tile. If you can manage this, then you win. That sounds easy, we hear you cry, but you may find it harder than you expect, and that's why we've created this guide to helping you reach that fabled 2048 tile. How to win 2048. Once you've had a play around with the game and understand the concept, you can start to get a proper strategy together to conquer it completely. There are many different possible ways of attempting to win 2048, but our favorite is the corner technique. We normally say content is king, but here the corner is the king. Since the game consists of a grid, there are 4 corners. What you need to do is pick one and stick with it for the entirety of the game. Get your highest number tile in that corner. My personal choice is the top left, and keep it there. This way you can form the other tiles around it and make that number higher when possible. There may come a time when you have no choice but to move away, see below, from that corner, but no worry, calmly move away and then back again. Warning: the corner technique does not guarantee you will reach 2048. The danger if you need to move away from your chosen corner is that a new tiles appears in that space. This isn't good. You can carry on, but the game will be much harder to win, so you might want to start again if this happens. Well, that's about it, so good luck and have fun winning at 2048.